the World Wide Web, which has revolutionized the way we access and share information, was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, while working at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, in Switzerland. Berners-Lee proposed a system for sharing information via web of hypertext documents that could be accessed through the Internet. He created the first web browser, called World Wide Web, later renamed Nexus, and the first web server, HTTPD, Hypertext Transfer Protocol daemon. The first website, http info.cern.ch, was published on August 6, 1991, and it explained the basics of the World Wide Web. Berners-Lee's invention transformed the Internet from a niche technology used primarily by scientists and researchers into a global information network accessible to anyone with a computer and an Internet connection. This breakthrough has had a profound impact on almost every aspect of modern life, from communication and commerce to education and entertainment.